puppies! Hey guys, how doing? Pooping poopers! They were just hollering something silly a while ago. Pooping poopers! Now this, y'all, we're in here with Dreamy's little puppies right now, and they are doing some hollering for mamas right now. Aww. Hey poopers! Aww. Little precious poopers. They are very loud and proud this morning. Y'all, it's Tuesday morning, and I just cleaned their kennels out, though. And puppies are just so loud and proud calling for mama. I just thought I would come in here. Oh, look at these little darlings. Oh, look at these little fart butts. Let's see if we can get them all, though. We're fixing to let mama in, though, but we thought we'd just film some of the poopers alone. Just have a puppy day. This one just climbed over my lap. Okay. Now, if somebody's listening, this little puppy right here, this little girl right here got a little green foot for some reason. She got into something a while ago, though. But this little puppy got a little green foot right here. It's a little girl, though. And I bet somebody's gonna see this little girl. No? Oh, they're so loud and proud, guys. One of little Dreamy's girls. She's a big little girl, though. She got another twin just like her, though. Aww. Take that bark! Aww. Little pooping poopers. Aww. Look at these little sweethearts. Where's everybody at, guys? So we don't know, but we actually just want our mama. Okay, guys, let's jump next door, though, and see Cheyenne's little poopers. They're without mama, too, guys. Aww. Boy, do they want loving and attention right now. Oh, they all remember me, though, because I give them a whole lot of love when I want them. So, that's just part of my joys for raising Goldens, though. Oh, Lordy, they're proud and loud. Oh, look at that little fart butt. Hang on a minute, guys. If I can get back up, poopers. Hey, little pooping poopers. Hey, pooping poopers! What's that doing, little poopers? Hey, you in the corner? We'll go get mamas real quick. What's that doing, little poopers? Pooper! Now, these are not hollering so loud right now. Aww. Oh, that one did. I'm gonna bark at you now. I found somebody to bark at. It's funny, they'll get in the corner and just holler for mama. Mamas! Got one sleepyhead over there, though, but... Oh, look at these precious little girls and boys, guys. You're so daggone sweet. Aw, there's a hollering something loud, that little boy says. Now these light gold colors right here, they'll end up being gold with beautiful blonde highlights, guys. They sure will. Aw, look at that little fart bit. Okay, let's see if we can grab mom and dad in here real quick. Y'all bear with me. I'm gonna go get mom and dad in here real quick. I'm hoping this works, guys. I'm for sure it will. besides these little darlings. We got Dreamy in though. They're good girl babies. We got Dream Girl in. Come on, little poopers. Aww. Wow, man. They are loud and proud, guys. Aww. Come on, you poopers. Sit down, Dreamy. Whoa. Hey, little pooper. Your mama's over here. Well, kind of unusual video, though, but tell you what, we know why there was Dreamy. Come on, Dreamy. Dreamy, come on, Dreamy. You sit down, Dreamboat. Dreamy, sit down. Lay down, baby. Lay down, honey. You're supposed to be feeding your puppies, Dreamy. Say, Mama, we so missed you so much, Mama. Dreamy, sit down, baby. Sit down, darling. Wow. Golly, Dreamboat. They sure missed you, girl. So yes, nothing replaces Mama's milk. Aww. Well, this video's probably done now. Good girl, Dreamy. And Cheyenne's fooled up. Like, I probably need to go ahead and cut this one off, though. And no, these puppies are gonna be busy for quite a while, though, getting Mama's precious milk now. These puppies have a huge thirst, though, for that precious milk, though. Dreamy. No, Dreamy. Dreamboat. No, Dreamboat. Give them puppies milk, babies. Good girl, Mama. Good girl. This puppy's climbing all over me. Okay, y'all. Puppies are seemingly busy right now, guys. Hey, Cheyenne. Aww. Yeah, I personally think puppies need to eat 24/7, but unfortunately that's not true with puppies, so I always think it is, though. I try to go against mothers. Mothers think they already had enough milk. I know she feeds her puppies a whole lot. And this little girl's just Cheyenne. My little girl Cheyenne is just as busy as she can be in here, ain't they right, babies? Well, we want to go on our second walk. Okay, guys. Y'all don't forget Cheyenne. She's been a very wonderful mother, though. And she's going to have some very beautiful, her and Bo are going to have some very beautiful little poopers. This is Rick with Cheyenne and Dreamy's little puppies. Hoping everybody has a mighty great day.